Learning is a lifelong activity. Many of the people think that the moment they get out of the college, the learning stops. However, that is not the reality. If you want to be really successful in your life, if you want to be really productive in your life, you need to keep learning every single day until you die. Hi, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to learn how to cultivate the habit of learning every single day. By the time you finish this video, you'll be learning all the strategies and hacks you need to adopt to inculcate the habit of learning into your life in 9 simple steps. The first step of being a good learner is to be curious. Okay? Curiosity drives you forward and helps you learn more and more things. So if you are curious enough, you will go ahead and acquire knowledge on whatever that enthuses you. For example, if you are a person who is curious about developing oneself, you will be going out and search for all the books that speaks about self-help and personal development. You will be spending your time reading those books, listening to podcasts and all other stuff so that you acquire sufficient knowledge to develop yourself. That's what I am talking about, being curious. Curiosity is a basic ingredient with which you can create the habit of learning. So go ahead and be curious so that you can acquire that knowledge and inculcate the habit of learning every single day. The second step of being a good learner every single day is to read 10 pages every single day. When you invest your time and energy in reading 10 pages every single day, you will see that positive changes happen in your life. You will be acquiring new knowledge every single day. Even though it is just 10 pages, in the long run, you will be end with a massive source of knowledge, massive treasure of knowledge within you. Set aside at least 1 hour every single day for reading 10 pages so that it becomes a habit, and in the long run you will be reaping the benefit of reading 10 pages every single day. And the third hack of being a good learner is to celebrate one day in a month as a reading day. So recently I had gone through this challenge. I want to do nothing but read the whole day, and I want to see what happens to me. Now I'll be coming up with another video to tell what happened to me when I set aside one whole day for reading and nothing else. However, I am going to reveal one of the benefits. I could finish one whole book in less than 24 hours. Okay, you can do that too. I had never thought that I could finish one full book in less than 24 hours, but I could do that. When I set aside one full day for reading, it helped me declutter my mind. It gave me a lot of serenity, a lot of knowledge, and I could finish one full book in less than 24 hours. So set aside one full day, at least once in a month, so that you will see that you can imbibe more knowledge than never before. You will end up having more energy, more satisfaction, and more happiness and more knowledge within you. The fourth hack for being a better learner is to listen to podcast. Podcast is one of the cool tools out there. You can learn almost anywhere. You can listen to podcast. You can learn from this podcast when you drive, when you walk dog, when you go for a jogging, when you exercise, when you do the daily chores. Almost anywhere you can do, because it is all audio based. So as soon as you finish this video, go out and download those podcasting softwares such as Spotify on your mobile and follow your favorite authors, favorite speakers podcast, and listen to them every single day. You will be getting into that learning momentum as soon as possible, and also along with you complete other tasks, you will be learning, you will be imbibing a lot of knowledge into you within yourself automatically. So listen to podcast today. And the fifth hack of being a lifelong learner, being a learner every single day, is to watch YouTube tutorials. If you're a person who is looking for upgrade your technical knowledge, YouTube tutorials are the best places to go. All my success in technical knowledge such as computer knowledge, video editing knowledge, image processing, knowledge and all the technical knowledge I offer to YouTube tutorials. So next time when you feel that you have to upgrade your technical knowledge, go to youtube.com and search that technical knowledge. If you are a person who is looking forward to upgrade your video editing credentials, video editing skills, go out into the YouTube and type out video editing tutorials, so that you will get tons and tons of video editing tutorials of your choice, and you can learn from them step by step, all for free. All you need to do is to spend some time understanding how they do it. They show every step right on your screen, so that you can do exactly the same thing in your video editing software. That's how you can learn any skill for free. And the next way through which you can be a lifelong learner is to subscribe into great websites such as lifehack.org and futurism.com and so on. I'm going to give a list of such websites in the description so that you can go and check out. These websites are full of knowledge that can give you a new perspective about your life, a new perspective about future. You can learn where the world is going to be. So these websites give long essays, long descriptions, long articles on scientific advancement, the future development, and all other bunch of topics. You can select the topic of your choice and learn every single day, all free of cost. So once again, go to the description and find all the resources in the description. I am going to leave, so that you can just click on those links and visit those great websites, and you start learning the topic of your choice from right now. And one of the best ways to be a lifelong learner is to learn from a mentor. Invest your time and energy and money in a mentor, so that a mentor can help you and show you the exact pathways through which you can attain success in a less time possible, right? Learning from a mentor is like learning the most essential part that will help you, that will take you to success in the shortest time possible. So learning from a mentor is very essential. All the world-class athletes, all the world-class performers all have mentors. Many of them have multiple mentors, so that they could acquire different skills at the same time in the shortest span possible. So if you want to be a lifelong learner, if you want to be a more effective learner, invest your time and money and energy in a mentor, and let me tell you, it will be worth investing. So go for it. Invest your time, money and energy in a mentor. You will not be disappointed. And the final step of being a lifelong learner is to enroll into online courses or online coaching sessions. You can go visit the websites such as coursera.com, udemy.com, and some of those courses are free. You can enroll and learn your most essential life skills in a short span of time. Next time you feel that you need to upgrade your skill, go to these websites such as coursera.com and udemy.com, and I'm going to leave those links right in the description, so that you can go and visit those websites and you can check those courses, amazing courses out there, and you can upgrade your skills. And I believe that this video has given you a lot of information and insight on how you can be a lifelong learner, and I believe that you are going to be a lifelong learner from day one, that is today, and I want to see you as a lifelong learner. Thank you so much for being around and watching this video, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, crush that like button, so that you are helping the algorithm to find you in the next video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button and crush it right now, so that you will be given with the next video when I come up with the next video in the near future. See you in the next video. Bye bye.